friends, welcome to Drive Time DIY project YouTube channel. So today we are upgrading some of the equipment for the Jeep 2023 Wrangler 4Xe. So if you come close, I'm gonna show some of the parts which you're gonna upgrade today. So we bought some equipment from the bullet points, and this is a phone holder. So this is for like 2019 to 2023 Jeep Wrangler 4Xe models. So this won't be suitable for like non-XC. So this is only for 4Xe vehicles. Okay guys, come let's take a closer look what you're gonna upgrade to our vehicle today. So if you come closer look, so we got one box which has a MagSafe connection with a bars. These are the connection bars with a base mount. So it's like somewhat tricky here to explain like all these connections. Let's jump into our car and we're gonna fix everything else inside, and I'm gonna show how to remove the screws, everything else. Then we can begin right now. Come on guys, let's go in. Hi guys, we are inside the vehicle right now. So we are inside, so no need of any sunglasses, we can remove them. So we're gonna be mounting this universal one white here in the front console, so you can see the bar, everything else. So first of all we're gonna remove this screen. So we're gonna remove this. So first, before it's like completely piece, but recently I have the left side one. So I have similar feature like last time. This is a single mount one, so it's gonna be right here. So yeah, this is like single mount one. Now we have like lot of people, it's like a Jeep, we have to do lot of phones and we cannot record in one phone. We need to have like multiple phones, like you mean phone, GoPro, all type of stuffs. So that's why like I have single one which is around this price like $60. We can get everything else, but now it's time to upgrade thing. So we're gonna trash this guy, then we're gonna upgrade to our latest one. So this is a mat, we're gonna remove everything here. So there will be like two screws here, like 1 and 2. So these are the high priority. We're gonna remove these two screws. So then as usual, like these are the Phillips screwdriver, Phillips head. So no need to any power, just casual thing. We're gonna remove one, and here is the 2. Just remember, these are the easy to lose them. So I'm gonna suggest a magnetic plate. Just attach them. If you lose them, you're in the big trouble. Remove universal bar, which I showed you earlier, is like 6-piece one, and it has like total like 2 screws here, 1 and 2. You can see here. By seeing the joints, we cannot keep like this. It's gonna do the perfect shape. So these we're gonna use our OME screws, which we removed earlier. So we're gonna come here, place it here. These are OEM screws, and bullet points won't provide these screws, so we have to reuse our manufacturer one. So I'm gonna keep one here and one here, and don't forget to tighten them. Couple of turns here done. This is an easy job, 5 to 10 minutes. And second screw, and double make sure they're tightened, because we're gonna use heavy gear. Like our phones right now, they have been like so much of weight, it can fall off. So make sure they are like tightened, not over tightened. So our base is done. Now we're gonna mount this bar right here, which has like 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like before mounting them, we're gonna do our fittings. So by coming to fixing these mounts, I'm gonna size like we don't want fix in the car, because these screws are so tiny. They're gonna, if you lose them, it is like so hard to find them. So before that fixing in the car, we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show detail what parts we have here, and we're gonna assemble this bar and these pieces outside. So it will be like more convenient for us rather than here. Like if you sit here, if this lose the screw, that's it. And our mats are base color is like black. We are completely lost it, and it's so hard to find. And these we have spare screws which they're gonna provide it. So I want to save the spare screws for the future, but right now it's time to go outside and fix them outside. Come, let's go outside. So we are back again outside. So it's like going inside and outside thing, but no worries, we're gonna keep it like somewhat sunny, so we need a cool classes right now to work on it. And we have a jeep, so we have a bench here to work it on it. We don't need any extra spaces, sitting down, going inside. This is a beautiful workbench. So let's begin here. So they're gonna provide you like three main things. Like one is a Phillips screwdriver, and this is a wrench which has like 8 and 7. So mostly our screws are 8 in size, so no need to worry for that. And this is a one more Allen key, which, like as I mentioned, the screws are very hard to follow, so that's why we need to be outside. So this is an Allen key which is gonna use for the camera mount, GoPro mount. I'm gonna show it to you later how to use this guy. And just my heads up thing, it is like better to get an Allen key which is like 5 by 18. This is like for the second mount. Like I have, if you come closer, look here, we have screws, bunch of them. So this is like Phillips head screwdriver. We can use our Phillips, but we have some keys which has an Allen thing. We need like 5 by 18 Allen key in order to do our job. We have like hardly like 4 screws, so we need an Allen key. So our first thing is our neck safe thing. So we're gonna grab our bar. So this is our base thing. This is the grooves right here. So if you want, you can keep like, you cannot keep in this direction because all the holes won't match it. So this is the direction. Like make sure this is the direction. If you want, you can adjust like to left, to right, or to the center. But I'm gonna prefer to cross because we don't know. In future, we may keep one more holder here and one more here. Like we have options to upgrade them. But if I keep it like too close here, it can interface with the second phone here. So I'm keeping very close here. So that's the thing, I'm gonna copy here, keep it here. And we're gonna keep our screw here, and don't forget about our washer. This is an important thing. It's gonna distribute the force like even. So we need a washer here. Nut. Just tighten with your hand. Do it for like 4 of them. So we're gonna do like fixing the base bar, like one here, and I have the second one right here. It's like same thing, can move like left and right. So I'm gonna fix one right here, and we have one more thing, is a GoPro thing. So these screws, I'm gonna show about the GoPro one. So these are like, we're gonna get like, I choose one, we can keep one right here or one right here. Like I previously mentioned, we have 6 configurations on this bar. So 1, 2 are the mounts. These 2 will be like mini one. These 2 are the GoPro, or you can keep anything else. But I'm gonna dedicate this slot for the GoPro. So this is a screw thing. Just tighten them. And they have provided the Allen key for the GoPro. So just we're gonna keep it them, tight it, and I'll be right back with fixing this mount. This is like simple fixing them. Everybody knows this. No need to show anything here. So let's back in like 2 minutes. Okay guys, we just fixed like total like 4 screws here. We tighten a nut. We use this guy like with size 8. So I don't know about the inches, I don't know, but yeah, this is a metric size number 8. So we're gonna just keep here, tighten with a Phillips screwdriver, and this we have used with the Allen key. Same thing, the screw size is like 8, and everything is done. So this is meant for the Jeep, hard tough. So if it's them, it's like so hard to come. If you have any big iPads, I'm gonna suggest use this guy. We have here MagSafe component which goes to our phone, and this is in a link. Don't ask about the length, even I don't know. We are stupidities, so we're gonna lose them. So get a normal thing. This is a base one, and these are the 2 links. One gonna go to the our bar, and second one goes to the this guy end of the link to this guy. So we don't need any engineering in this stuff. So just normal screw, unscrew them, place them here. This is our link. I'm gonna squeeze it in, or if we're unable to squeeze them, So just loosen them. No need to worry, it won't come off. It's like if you pull it hard, it won't come, but we can manage it. So that's done. With single hand, just close it, tighten it. So they're gonna provide even a small key. I don't know, just have figured it out. It's gonna use our tighten this guy, but we don't need this guy. So we need our hand, just tighten it. This is like not for our level. So just same thing. Loosen it, tighten it. Before like to tighten it, just you're gonna keep this guy, but I'm gonna use the universal one because this is a passenger side. Based on, as I mentioned earlier, based on this direction, it's gonna go on this side. So I am a MagSafe phone holder. I have like Samsung thing, but I bought a MagSafe phone holder. I don't want to use a universal. It's like hardcore. It takes some time to open them and keep it. But as a MagSafe, like simple to tap on it. So that's why. Go tighten it back in. So it is done. So this is done. This is done. This is already done. As I mentioned, we have a GoPro mount. If everyone interested in shooting the GoPro when they're going adventures, or as you can use for the dash camera too, if you have like long battery life. So I'm gonna loosen here. I'll loosen it. Tighten it. It is done. And the final one. And again, I like this way to fix it here inside thing. If you want, we can assemble these three guys when fixing, like as I mentioned earlier, here like 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can, if you want, you can fix them inside and assemble these guys, but we don't care about the manual, everything else. So we're gonna do our simple way. For this guy, we need a again Phillips screwdriver. We have like small screws, so we're gonna grab them and we're gonna use it. And make sure like there's one more mount here. This is meant for our this type of stuff. So don't worry about there's an extra hole. That's meant for a future upgrade. So for better convenience, we're gonna go the passenger side. So we wanna jump in right here and make sure these screws do not lose them. And we're gonna keep our bar. So yeah, we're just gonna keep it here. Make sure like these 5 holes are lining here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No need to worry about it's like falling down or anything else. So I'm gonna keep one screw right here. It's like somewhat heavy, but yeah, no worries. Yeah, these are like somewhat tricky, so I'm gonna suggest like if any magnetic head, Phillips one, I'm gonna suggest use this guy. It has like magnetic thing which gonna hold our screw, but not too strong, so it's gonna happen. So make sure check it outside, not inside the car, whether it's a magnetic or not. So once the screws are in, they are like easy to go in. No need any hard pressure. I'm gonna keep the second screw over here. You can worry about this guy like right or later. So we're gonna fix the easy one so that it does not move because of the weight. So this is done. Make sure our hand not touching the windshield, because like sometimes it can bang them, or if you have any jewelries, remove them so they can get scratches right here. So let's see how this MagSafe gonna come in. So just open them. Now we're gonna keep our MagSafe on, and don't forget our seat belt. And let's go. And this is how the upgrade done. So see you soon with next video and next betterment. Thank you. Peace out. Bye.